Hello everyone, welcome to my channel as Tech Mantra. My name is Ashish and today I am going to explain offset fetch class with examples only because I have already created a theoretical session for offset and fetch class previously. The session name was offset and fetch class part 1. In that session I have explained everything related to offset and fetch class like what are the benefits, what are the limitations and what is the syntax etc. of offset and fetch class. Friends, in my previous session offset fetch class part 1 due to some technical issue my laptop screen got stuck during SQL Server example explanation and I couldn't find out that issue when I was recording my session, and after uploading this session I came to know that SQL Server screen is not showing in whole session, it's showing only the slide. So friends, sorry for that, and I am creating again a new session for offset and fetch class part 2 for explaining you offset and fetch class uses using SQL Server query. So friends, now this is the SQL Server window and you can see here that this is a simple query. Using this query, I am creating a serial number column using the row number function. And after that, I'm selecting person underscore title, person underscore first name, person underscore last name, date of birth, columns from the TVL employee and using order by class. So you can see here that it is returning 13,014 rows. So now I'm creating this offset means we can say that skip rows and fetching rows. Okay, so now you can see here commenting this one, commenting this one. Okay, so now offset 10 rows. Now you can see here what is the result set. So check this column SN, first column. Here now serial number is starting from the 11. Why it is starting from the 11? Because I have written here offset 10 rows. So it is skipping first 10 rows and showing as from the row number 11. So you can see here that this is the use of the offset 10 rows. Now as you have seen my previous session that if I am not using order by clause, then this query will not execute, it will throw some error. Okay, because if I am using offset and fetch class, then order by using is mandatory. Now you can see here that offset 10 rows. If you want to skip 20 rows or 25 rows, you can do the same thing. Offset 25 rows. So you can see here that how can we use offset. Now I'm using fetch. Fetch 10 rows only, and as per syntax we have to use fetch next 10 rows only. So what will be the result set up here? Yes, see here, offset 25 rows means skipping 25 rows, and fetch next 10 rows means after skipping 25 rows I am selecting ten rows. So this is the result set of this query. Here you can see here that offset skipping rows and fetch selecting rows. So I have offset 25 rows. 25 rows means first 25 rows it will skip and it will show from the 26, and fetch next 10 rows means after skipping 25 rows it is fetching only the 10 rows, that is the 25, 26 plus 10, that is the 35. Now I want to fetch 25 rows, so it will show you from 26 to 50 rows. Now selecting this query, so you can see here that it is starting serial number 26 to 50. So now I think you can understand everything, that how can we use offset and fetch class, and it is a very useful when we are going to writing our query. It is also useful where we are going to using our user defined paging system, so like how many records we can display in our one page. So thanks for watching my this session, and friends, if you like this session then please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.